Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a 3,000 subscriber special. But also too, I want to do a reaction. All right, you guys see my reaction to my X5 M and my M3, you know, kind of like my thing, but this time I want to test the kids. All right, so the kids have been in the car, but they've never actually been in it since I really like fully pushed it, since I just punched it, at least in these cars. All right, now I've done prior videos with them in my 653 AMG, my ISF, my Acura TL since they're little. So it's been about a year or two since that last video. So here we go again. This time with new cars, also more power. So let's start with the Civic. Let's see how they respond to that first and work our way up. All right guys, let's go. Hey boys, come here. All right. So here they are. This is Kian and Kaysen. Kian, raise your hand. Okay, Kaysen. All right, and how old are you, Kaysen?
12.
And when will you turn 13?
April.
All right, and Kian?
11.
And you just turned 11, right?
Yes.
All right, so your ages. We're gonna get started. All right, let's see your best vlogging.
How do I can't?
All right, okay, Kian, let's see your vlog. Go ahead.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be riding my scooter and doing cool tricks.
All right, good. You ready to go fast?
Yes.
All right, hold on. Is that fun?
Yes.
You guys ready to go fast?
Yes.
Ready? So we've done this before. You guys know the drill, right?
Yes.
Okay. You guys want to go fast?
Yes.
All right, let's go. You know, this car is actually a pretty quick car. I won quite a few races in this car. What? Ready?
Yes.
the Civic?
Yes.
Faster than the ISF?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Faster than the C63?
No.
You don't think so? You sure?
I can't remember.
You can't remember, but it feels like it's really fast.
Yes.
Is it the fastest car you've been in so far?
No.
What's the fastest one?
Tesla.
What?
That's a quick car, but it's not that fast.
Oh yeah, it felt fast.
Your right foot like this way, it's gonna respond just like that. I mean, it's like, wow. I mean, it's like, wow. Ready? What do you think?
Fast.
It's fastest?
Yes. But did not die immediately. Like did not die like instantly. I'll go to the you know, you have to go to the OG.
There's a car on the stop sign. You see that?
Yes.
Just about to go. Ready?
Yes.
What do you think?
Fast.
Fastest?
Yes.
What are you smiling about? What the?
Tires.
Oh. You hear it? So funny. Guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, I wanted to add, while I was editing the video, I was watching and seeing their reactions. And what I noticed is it seemed like the C63 and the ISF really kicked them back in the seat. And even though the X5M is faster, even though the M3 is, is faster than all the cars in the video, if you notice, they don't get that slam your head in the back in the seat feeling like they did in the ISF. And I'm gonna tell you why. The reason why is because those cars were naturally aspirated. All right, so that power, especially starting at a high RPM, was available right away. These two cars require they have turbo, right? So once the turbos spool up on the engine, it takes a second. So the feeling is still good for them. It just wasn't the throw your head back in the seat feeling. It was more of the, okay, you're going, and then the turbo shove that just happens. It just is a feeling that is hard to capture on the camera. But it's a feeling of, you feeling like the blood is being pushed up into your head, and it's, it's a different feeling from a turbocharged car going to a naturally aspirated car. It's almost like someone's putting your hand in your chest and just slowly just pushing on it, pushing you deep into the seat. But the kids enjoyed it either way. And, you know, it's all in good fun, guys. So, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out, helps the channel out. And I do, once again, guys, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you guys subscribing and the comments you guys leave me. So, guys, have a good day. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys again at, I don't know, 5,000, 10,000. We'll see.